Welcome to Lingwood Station on the Wherry lines. This is one of the single track stations alongside Burney Arms. I think they're the only two on this section that are single track. And then it turns back into double at Acle for the trains to pass each other, but I don't think they ever pass each other there. It's a very nice station. I do love me some single track stations, especially when they have something around them as well, unlike Burney Arms. Hill Point, it's nice to see. Got ramp access here in the station. It's been step free. Nice bench and planter there. The station does look very nice, all the flowers around. I also love these signs on single track platforms. They've been blowing in the breeze there. Lovely to see. Here's the ticket machine at Lingwood Railway Station. It's card only. And yeah, that's just, I'd imagine, what would have been the old station building at Lingwood. However, it's now privately owned. Plenty of posters for you to gander at while you wait for your train. And yeah, I think we shall go and take a peek at the level crossing. See you there. The sign for Lingwood is actually in someone's private land. I'm quite surprised about. It's in someone's garden. But yeah, very nice looking level crossing. Single track level crossings always stand out as very nice. There's a lot of them on the Southminster line. And there is Lingwood Station. Level crossing. Look how straight that is too. Very straight. Pub just outside the station here, King's Head. It's nice to see. Nice to see some civilization. And like some of the stations I've been to today. And yeah, that's about it for Lingwood. So I'll see you when my train arrives. And yeah, see you then. The crossing has gone down. The signal has changed. So evidently, that means my train is about to come round the corner. A little birdie has told me it is 755450. And I'm wrong. So there you go. Real-time train says wrong. 55411. Thanks for watching. This is Lingwood. I'll see you soon.